A very warm greetings to all our viewers. What a week it was. There is a one-way rally. These are the times when, if you are an active trader and you deploy a lot of strategies, particularly in the FNO segment, if you're actively trading, you wonder, why are you doing all these? A simple portfolio, which may be a passive portfolio, may be beating all your strategies. So there are always times like this when it is better to just sit back, relax, and let the market do its job. And I think, at least the feeling I'm getting, that we are in that phase right now where let the market do the job. It's going only one way. Let your portfolio grow, and you just let it grow the way it is growing without tinkering too much. Hopefully, this will last for a while. We never know when it will turn around. It can happen anytime. And that makes sure that, while we want to relax, we always remain on our toes. And that's the life of an active trader. With that, let's have a quick look of what the Neo Wave charts are saying. And then this week, I'll just leave it at that, because pretty much all the data points are talking about continuation of the run. We have the 7th week when Nifty closed in green. We may face some resistance at 21,500. But if that breaks, then we don't know where is the resistance, because pretty much it's the open blue sky. As long as on the downside 20,850 is protected, there is no need to panic, no need to go short. And pretty much that's what all the data point is saying. So I'm not going to delve deeper into that. This week, we will just focus on a Neo Wave analysis, and then we will conclude this video. With that, let's move to our Neo Wave analysis. And so the up move continues without any issue, right? In fact, it is taking people.
The up move continued, and how, sir? मजा आ गया नहीं? So first, तो चलो अपना वीडियो बनाते सर. We had forecasted something on 8 December when we had met, which was Friday. I'll switch on the candles here. So this is the day that we had met, and ये अप मूव इतना लंबा है ना, तो मुझे चार्ट को थोड़ा ऐसे खींचना पड़ेगा, वरना कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. So this was 8 December when we had met. हम लोग ने क्या फोरकास्ट किया था?
Literally, the candles are getting out of the chart.
हाँ, देखिए ना कैसा रॉकेट की तरह आया.
बिल्कुल.
So we had two important events. One was on Tuesday 12 December और एक था अपना local event था Friday, right? So we had forecasted कि be careful Monday, Tuesday. उसके बाद price action देखते हैं, and as a level 21,240 is a very high probability, right? Because we had said this is a major up move,
right?
And Tuesday तक caution है. तो ये था अपना Tuesday, right? This is Tuesday, this is Wednesday. Wednesday के बाद, and we will go on to a 75-minute time frame also, because we had given a range over there. I think 850 was the downside range and it had violated it. So we will visit that chart as well. Wednesday के बाद जो हमने predict किया था उससे बेहतर ही हुआ है. We have gone all the way up to 21,492. तो our forecast of last this week worked pretty well. इसको अब हटा देते. We'll take a 1-second recap on 75 minutes also. Sorry about the untidiness. I'll switch this off. We had given, यहाँ से हमने एक level draw किया था of 20,851, right? ये violate तो हुआ था, लेकिन फिर यहाँ से ही it recovered. And that's why we have that doji candle on the day chart. This is where multi-time frame analysis helps us a lot. कि हम लोग ये देख रहे कि टूट रहा है, रिकवर भी देख रहे, तो डे चार्ट पे हमें वो बुलिश कैंडल दिख गया, right? And then obviously this major gap up on Thursday and also Friday.
But that fall was definitely deceptive, because when that was falling, people really, the traders started expecting that it may now break down. And that
सर
was
ये
that was
लेवल टूट गया था ना 850 का,
correct.
तो थोड़ा पैनिक आ गया था.
Right. But उसके बाद जो उस दिन that day, you know, the up move that you see, the last three candles of the day,
Yes,
that ended up making a fairly bullish candle on the day chart.
that's right.
Right. Yeah, go ahead.
So this worked out well for us. It was a good week. If you were on the right side of the trend, you made a killing, right? Now, based on this information, what can we see in the week to come? So I will just bring my
Yeah, and that
writing
is the
away.
question a lot of people are asking, because I still meet people who are saying that they are not completely invested in the equity. They still have cash or money with them. So the question is whether they should get in all in, because there is a major FOMO feeling that has set in, or should they
Yeah.
wait? So would like to know what are the waves saying on that.
So right now, there is such a rocket move now. We are going on to the weekly chart. Okay, so if anyone is, looking to invest in the market, I mean, our country is doing phenomenally well. There is no need to stay on the, outside. You must participate. And अच्छे stocks होते तो उसमें तो मतलब वेट करने का मतलब ही नहीं बनता है नहीं. It's look at the way we have the market has moved, and especially once it crossed this level of 20,200 previous high, तभी तो बनता ही है, to go all in.
Yeah.
So in our earlier video, we had, seen this price action, right? We had said कि यहाँ से, which was March में से जब turnaround आया था, we had said this had gone one way up. This जो correction phase था, it had taken less time. So we had inferred two things कि यहाँ से market को नीचे जाना नहीं है, and it's in a push to go toward the upside.
Right. And
Friday
this we
मिले
have
थे
to look
तो
at the weekly candlestick chart and the monthly wave
जी,
chart. So whatever we are
that's
talking here
right.
is just for the viewers' information.
That's right. We are looking at the weekly time frame क्योंकि हमें daily time frame पे इतना thrust मिला है, so we are trying to take a cue from the higher time frame chart. Like the video that we made last time also, कि when we were expecting that E wave, Nifty में तो दिखा ही नहीं, तो
Correct.
हमने क्या किया कि let's take a clue from the Bank Nifty chart.
Yes.
तो वहां से because वो भी एक अपना liquid index है.
Mhm.
So coming back to what we were saying here, last week we were at the 61%, and I said, you know what, this 76% works very well in our country. तो यहाँ तक एक जा सकता है, but to be conservative, हमने 21,240 का टारगेट दिया था, because Nifty moves, around 240 to 300 points every week, right? उसका ATR वैसा चलता है. अभी उसके ऊपर ही गया, ऑब्वियसली वी आर इन अ वेरी बुलिश मार्केट, तो उसको तोड़ना तो बनता ही है. एंड वी हैड कम टू दिस 76% मार्क, व्हिच इज 21,498. अभी क्या हो जाता है सर इन आवर मार्केट ना, दिस लेवल फॉर द कमिंग वीक विल बी अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग लेवल, और यू कैन से अ लेवल ऑफ हाई इंटरेस्ट.
Correct.
If we break this level of 21,500 with thrust, right? And I'm just going to switch on the candles. ये when I say the word thrust ना, अब देखिए ना कि ये कैसे जा रहा है ऊपर. See this thrust over here, over here.
Correct.
Here you know कि boss, it's not coming down. We are going directionally when you see candles like these, right? I'll just switch them off. Again, to be a little conservative for the coming week, if we break 21,500, 21,750 would be my next level. And I wouldn't be surprised if we even go to 92%. So this would be my forecast for the
Yeah,
coming week.
92%.
Please keep an eye on 21,500. Just to sum it up, 21,500 would be an important level. उसको thrust के साथ तोड़ता है. 21,750 to 22,000 would be our next target.
Yeah,
That
so
would be for me.
now there are people who are sitting on call options at 22,000, thinking it is safe. You need to keep an eye and be careful, because we see this 0.92 level on the fib extension reaching 22,082. So if you look at the historic ATR, that's one thing, but of late there has been large moves, and if we reach 22,082 in Nifty, don't be in a major loss, right? If you're sitting on all your short positions. So keep an eye on that. And don't be very, very confident about your 22,000 shorted call if you are having that 22,000 shorted call. Yep. Good.
This
So
level will be important for us.
yeah, yeah. So I mean, 21,500 is a big round number as well, plus 76.4% extension, what we are showing. And then if that breaks,
That's right.
we can be somewhere in between for this week, 21,500 to 22,000. But all I'm saying is, don't be surprised if we reach 22,000. So with that, I think, we will move to the next section and conclude the wave analysis for this week today. Right? Thanks, Suzanne.
Yes.
We had for this week. With that, we will conclude our video. If you liked our video, please press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and wishing all of you a great trading week ahead.